welcome back to the channel, man. Today is the third video of this painting the Blazer fiasco. This should be the last one. I want to get this thing assembled and get it complete today so we can finally see what it is this thing's gonna look like as a whole, you know what I'm saying? So for the most part, I just need to put everything back on. We got mirrors, the grill, freaking windshield wipers, you know, tail lights, and of course, the bumpers. I'm actually really excited about that because I have yet to have seen the Blazer with a color matched rear bumper. So anyhow, before we get into all the bolting stuff on, there are still a few things that I need to put some paint on. So I think it's probably going to be best to get those done first so that they can start drying while we bolt all this stuff on. And fingers crossed, hopefully the stuff will dry really fast and we can get it all assembled today, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, the drying process isn't gonna start until we get out there and get it painted. I know those compressors are really loud. I just turned them on, and when they're completely empty, it's when they're the loudest. Anyhow, we still have these two pieces left right here that are the body color that we have to still do the sanding and like expose the colors underneath. So I'm gonna get that done really quick because then they need to be clear coated and we're gonna move them out to the sun so that they can dry as fast as possible. Alright, up next I have a couple sets of lights here for the Blazer. These are the tail lights that were already on it. This is a set of tail lights I have laying around. I was going to go ahead and run these ones, maybe tint them a little bit more because they are a little bit bright. These are tinted right now, I don't know if you can tell, but these used to be on the truck. But I think I would rather save these for the truck because I like that they don't have a trim around them. So I have another set around here that has this same trim, but the trim is black. I can't find them anywhere, so probably in the parts corner underneath Integra parts. Anyhow, I think I'm gonna go ahead and run these ones. Just the problem is I tinted them, but I would like the chrome section to actually be darker like my grill is, but I don't want the lens to get any darker. So I'm gonna need to go ahead and mask off the lens, and then we'll tint this chrome, polished, whatever you want to call it. We'll tint that darker so it doesn't look chrome anymore. Now moving on to the bumper lights. This is a set that I had inside of the storage. I believe these came off of my truck, but I have a new set of these for the truck. So I'm gonna use these ones on the Blazer. No, sorry. These are the ones from the Blazer. All of that I just said, but this. These are the ones that were on the truck. That's why it has the white overspray. But what's good about these ones is each one of these lights have 3 clips. Okay, so this light has all 3, and this light has all 3 clips. That's just missing the little metal piece that I'm gonna rob from these ones because this one's broken right here, and so is this one. And one of these, the top one, is about to break. So whenever they sit in there, they kind of flop around because it has that broken clip, and you're only able to put 2 screws in it rather than 3. Anyhow, these ones are in a little bit better condition just because these ones have overspray all over them. So I want to tint them. I want to tint them a little bit. Not a lot, but just a little bit. But before I could do that, I need to get all this overspray off and kind of clean them up a little bit. everything is painted and we can start assembly. Finally! The moment that I've been waiting for. And now the chrome on the taillights actually matches the chrome on the grill. So I don't know if you guys remember, a long time ago I actually clear coated the grill already. So this was chrome and now it's just, you know, like that dark tinted chrome. I think that looks really nice. But that's the reason why I decided to go ahead and go with these ones. So now the taillights will actually match the grill, you know what I'm saying? But now whenever I peeled it, it kind of lifted some of the old clear coat, the tinted clear, so I'm probably gonna have to redo these again. But either way, I'm just gonna ignore it for now and start assembling, because that's what I've been waiting to do. God dang, man, I already screwed up. It turns out, oh, better come back, that before I put the grill on, I needed to put this damn thing on, man. Whoopsie daisy. Well, god dang there, buddy! Well, it is finally all completely assembled and my battery is dead. Damn it, be right back. And we're back again. I should have known. Freaking battery literally died in the last clip putting the taillights on. Anyhow, yeah, it came out really nice, dude. I'm gonna have to obviously go for a drive somewhere so we can get a good look of this thing all the way around. I always just like getting it out of the driveway so we can see it somewhere else other than just in the driveway, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I need to give you guys a close-up and a walk around of the entire thing so you guys can see every single itty-bitty detail. Oh shit, hang on. I tried as hard as I could to get out here before it got dark, man, so you guys can actually see the Blazer in light, you know what I'm saying? But the camera's not doing too terrible. I would like to show you guys a little bit more up close of the detail and stuff in the paint, but it's hard to see the metallic, obviously, if you don't have the sun shining on it. But man, I am extremely satisfied with how it came out. I'm not gonna lie, I was partially kind of like, as I was assembling everything. It wasn't until I put the wing on that it just kind of tied it all together, dude. Like, I did not like it at all without the wing. Now the wing's on there, huge freaking difference. Y'all thought I was gonna leave it off, huh? You thought I forgot, but hell no, she's definitely going back on there. It is the world's most hated wing, you know what I'm saying? Why would I not put it back? Anyhow, I really like how it came out. This most certainly isn't the end. I mean, you can consider the paint job done, but as far as cosmetics, this isn't the end. You know, we gotta do something about these wheels because they don't fit. You know what I'm saying? I don't like how it looks. Thank you for all your guys' suggestions, and I think it's kind of funny that a lot of your guys' suggestions were actually what it was that I was kind of planning on doing in the first place. So my license plate kind of gives you a little bit of a hint. Anyhow, guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for all the support through this 3-part series of painting the Blazer. And I'm sorry to all those that says I should completely finish the Camaro and the S10 truck before painting the Blazer. Like, I know it probably don't seem like it to you guys, but I basically got this done in a weekend. So it's not like it really, you know, sidetracked me off of my other projects too terribly much. But yeah, up next for the Blazer, I mean, other than cosmetics, is obviously we still need to do the Holly and the cam and all that stuff. Make it fast, bro. You know, it's got the bark, but now it needs the bite. But like I said, hope you guys enjoyed this. We're gonna go get something to eat. Peace, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
Do it again. One more. We launch it. Here, come back for me. I came back for you last time.